So this is a look at the new reactive target from SimpleShot. This is how you will receive the target, so some assembly is required. We'll be looking at how to assemble and set up this target for how you would like to use it. You will receive the target in a bag with all the necessary components and some replacement and extra components as well. You will receive the arm with one target attached as you purchase it. This will be set up for you. This is the arm that the target will swing on. It will come with two springs. You can choose to install both of these springs and have a stronger rebound, or you can install one and have a replacement part. You have two of these fasteners that can be used to attach the target face to the target arm. These are spare parts. If you are a very accurate shooter and you aim for the center of the target and you hit it repeatedly, you could damage the Phillips head on there. So these are replacement parts. They can be used to mount the target as well, but these are the fasteners that are used to attach the face to the target arm. This is the target mount that the arm fastens into. It comes with two screws to fasten the target to, say, if you wanted to put it on some wood, you could just screw that and fasten it into some wood. And finally, there is one bolt that attaches the arm to the mount with, of course, a nut to complete this. So we're going to go through assembly. Here it's very simple. So this is the mount. The target arm goes into the mount the only way possible. You wouldn't want to put it this way because it would not work. So it really can only go in one way. It will go this way. Now you have the option of installing one spring or two springs. The process is the same for either. The spring simply rests inside the target arm and then goes into the mount. Now the bolt goes first through the target arm, then on the way through it actually goes through the spring to hold the spring in place, then through the spring, through the arm, and out through the other side of the mount. Do not over tighten this. There's lots of thread here, plenty of thread, so do not over tighten or you could squeeze this so tight that you would lose the reaction of the target. So as you can see now, this is installed. Your target will show you when it's been hit, and as you can see, with a single spring in there, it will come back up, but it's a very, very sensitive, even the tiniest touch will move it. If you want to put both springs in, you can, and you will have much more sturdiness in the spring. It will hold the target up much more firmly and will rebound much more firmly. I will demonstrate that now, but the process is the same. So instead of one spring, you can use both springs. They are installed the same way. The bolt goes through the mount. It goes through the arm, through the hole on both springs. I lined this up incorrectly. Let me back off a bit. So through both springs on both sides, back through the arm, and back through the mount. It doesn't matter which side the bolt goes in from, it's doing the same job no matter which side it goes in. And now, as you can see, the rebound is stronger. So especially if you were shooting a heavier band set with heavier ammo, you might want to consider putting both springs in. Otherwise, you just have a replacement spring. It's important to remember that this is a target, So you will be shooting at it and you will eventually wear out this target. This piece is consumable. We do offer replacement target faces, since you will beat this up. That is the goal, is to beat it up. It comes in multiple sizes, all the way from 8 centimeters down to 4 centimeters. So you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one mount. You have replacement bolts, mounting screws, and everything you need with replacement parts and initial setup with 1 or 2 springs for a reactive target. Mounting this to a surface is very simple. If you choose wood, just screw it into the surface. If you choose metal, you could use these or any other fastener for whatever mount you choose. There it is, the new reactive target from SimpleShot, giving you some fun feedback when you hit it, and self-resetting, of course.